Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we will explore QQQ in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024, and we are here now to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. As of the 8th of October, 2024, our system has identified QQQ as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.37. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.4%. This equates to an average return of 0.05% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the upper end of a weak rising trend in the short term. This situation may present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. If there is a breakout above the top trend line at $499.01, it will initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend points to a potential change of approximately 6.92% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 0.123% to 8.61%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of about 28.09% over the next year, with a potential return between 19.47% and 39.69%. This could translate to a price range of $586.87 to $686.21 after a year. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline: QQQ ETF upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Thursday trading session. The QQQ ETF price experienced a gain of approximately 0.0693% on the last trading day, Thursday, the 17th of October, 2024. It rose from $490.91 to $491.25. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 1.08%. with a day low at $491.19 and a day high of $496.49. The price has increased in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.01% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also saw an increase on the last day, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 5 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 27 million shares changed hands for approximately $13.12 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $503.52, while the lowest price was $342.35. Currently, the price is 2.44%, or $12.27, below the 52-week high of $503.52, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. Recent developments regarding the Invesco QQQ Trust signal a cautious outlook for investors. As of the 16th of October, a shift in interest rate expectations has caused analysts to downgrade their rating from buy to hold. This change indicates that the environment for high-growth tech stocks, which QQQ heavily relies on, may be tightening, leading some investors to consider taking profits. Despite its significant allocation to technology, comprising over half of its holdings, QQQ's valuation has raised concerns. With a price-to-earnings ratio exceeding 40, some analysts warn that QQQ is trading at bubble-like levels. The concentration of key stocks, including Apple, Microsoft, and Nvidia, accounts for a substantial portion of the Nasdaq 100, amplifying risk if market sentiments shift. Looking forward, the upcoming earnings season could be pivotal. Disappointing results may exacerbate the downward pressure on QQQ's valuation. Long-term discussions suggest that while QQQ remains popular, alternative exchange-traded funds like QQQM, which offer lower fees, may attract buy-and-hold investors seeking better cost efficiency. Overall, these developments could result in increased volatility in the short term as investors digest both macroeconomic factors and company performance, while potentially recalibrating their expectations for growth in the tech sector in the long run. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. The QQQ ETF currently holds a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. However, there is a conflicting buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the ETF, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Should the ETF experience further gains, it is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $492.80. Conversely, if the ETF declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $479. A breakout above the short-term average would trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average would result in a sell signal. Additionally, volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical indicator. There are also some negative signals that may influence the short-term trajectory. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, October 14, 2024, and thus far it has declined by 1.26%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly referred to as MACD. Here are some additional signals that may catch your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots also suggest a sell signal from 4 days ago. The Bollinger Bands show a buy signal from 4 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 25 days ago. When we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a buy signal from 27 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 228 days ago. For more signals, don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for the QQQ ETF. On the downside, the ETF finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $448.75 and $439.53. There is a natural risk involved when an ETF is testing a support level because if this level is breached, the ETF may drop to the next support level. In this case, QQ has support just below today's level at $448.75. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $439.53 and $435.37. Generally, the ETF exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low in this stock. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated $5.30 between its high and low, which is a change of 1.08%. For the past week, the ETF has shown an average daily volatility of 1.10%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for QQQ, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest that there is a low expectation for the company's future or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In case of an upward trend, the The first resistance level for QQQ is at $492.59. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ encounters its first support level at $448.75. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $469.99, representing a decline of 4.33%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits low daily fluctuations, which translates to lower risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is the QQQ exchange-traded fund a good investment choice? Several short-term indicators, combined with an overall favorable trend, suggest that the current market level presents a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable expectation for the QQQ ETF to perform well in the near future. Consequently, we have upgraded our analysis from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 18th of October, we anticipate that QQQ will open higher by $1.73, beginning at a price of $492.98. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is crucial to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Do not base your investment choices solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.